Ever wondered how to harness the power of OpenAI's Sora for your data analysis needs? Well, wonder no more. OpenAI's Sora is an advanced AI tool that's been designed with one goal in mind: to help you manage and analyze large datasets with ease. Over the next few minutes, we're going to provide a clear, concise, and easy-to-follow guide to get you up and running with Sora. So ready to become a Sora master? Stick around and you will be. To begin your journey with Sora, you first need to sign up for an account. This is a simple process. Head over to the Sora website and hit the sign up button. Keep in mind that Sora is a tool by OpenAI, so you'll need an OpenAI account to get started. If you don't have one, no worries, you can quickly register for one. Once you're logged in, you'll be welcomed by your crisp and clean dashboard. This is your command center where you'll manage all your projects. Ready to start your first one? Just click on Create Project. Give it a name that resonates with your work, and you're off to the races. And just like that, you've created your first Sora project. The dashboard is now ready for you to explore and customize as per your needs. It's a breeze to navigate, so don't hesitate to play around. Let's move on to the next step. Now that you've created a project, it's time to upload your data and start analyzing. With Sora, the data upload process is a breeze. Regardless of whether your data is in CSV, JSON, or directly from your server, Sora can handle it. Simply click on Upload Data and select your file. Once your data is uploaded, it's time to put Sora's analysis tools to work. These tools are designed to help you glean insights from your data quickly and intuitively. Apply filters to sift through your data, run queries to target specific information, or utilize AI to generate insights. All these functions are just a click away on the menu, making data analysis easier than ever before. And just like that, you're analyzing data with Sora. The power of advanced AI is right at your fingertips, ready to help you manage and analyze large data sets with ease. With your data uploaded and analyzed, you're almost a Sora wizard. Generating reports is the final step in our Sora guide. Once you've analyzed your data to your satisfaction, navigate to the Reports section. Here, you can choose your preferred format to export your insights. Whether you prefer a simple CSV, a detailed PDF, or even an interactive HTML report, Sora has got you covered. And there you have it. You've mastered OpenAI's Sora in just 3 minutes. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be afraid to explore Sora further on your own. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching.